Hi everyone, Corey here. We are gearing up for the holidays at LSC-Kingwood, and the Coyote Cupboard has plenty of ingredients for students, faculty, and staff, also the community, to prepare simple meals. Today I'm here with Catrice and Eric with the Culinary Club, and we're going to talk about what can be used from the food pantry.
Well, chicken can go in a lot of things, and you can use it easily. So what we have here is spaghetti, and there's a lot of spaghetti sauce, so don't worry about that. And what you can do is you can prepare your spaghetti noodles and then add the sauce and chicken, warm them up to your liking, and you have chicken spaghetti.
If you want to just use everything purely from the cabinet, then you can use my recipe. It's kind of like a macaroni casserole. So you prepare the macaroni with a good amount of salt in that when you boil it, and then you warm up all of this in a pan. Not all of this. I would say just the corn, the green beans, and the peas, along with the chicken. If you don't want to use chicken, use beans. It's a nice substitute. Then also we have these cornflakes. They're really good to use as kind of like texture. So if you want to just crush them up and then sprinkle on top of the pan and then just broil it, put it under a broiler, then yeah, it'll work.
What about chicken wild rice casserole? How would you put that together?
So what you would do is you would prepare the rice, and then you would cook the chicken and the tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce, and then you could put a bunch of canned vegetables in with it, and you cook it for about 45 minutes. Take out the casserole and place it over the cooked rice.
Is there anything that you can make with dessert that you have found in the Coyote Cupboard?
Well, I have news for you. I have this oatmeal kind of thing that you use just for breakfast. I'm not really a big fan of oatmeal, so I just like to turn it into something else. And that something else would be granola. Granola is an easy way to make it would just be throw this in a frying pan with some brown sugar, some butter. You can also add some of these dried cherries just to add a little bit more sweetness.
Be sure to follow us on social media at Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Like this video, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button to be notified about our latest content.